It's lunchtime at work. I have 1 hour. I close my laptop. I decide to take a real break. I sit back in my chair and pick up my phone. I'm just going to check a few things. That's all. I open YouTube. I go to the shorts section. The first short is a man trying to open a jar. He can't do it. It's kind of funny. The next one is a dog jumping off a dock into a lake. Then a baby tasting a lemon for the first time. Then an astronaut floating inside a space station. Then a chef making pasta very fast. Then 2 cats fighting over a paper bag. Then a man in a suit sitting down onto a birthday cake. I scroll to the next one, and the next, and the next. None of them are great. None of them are terrible. They're just there. This is doom scrolling. You scroll through short video after short video looking for something good. It is always hit or miss. Today, they are all a miss. There is also something called brain rot. That's when you watch so much that your brain feels slow and tired. I think about that for a second. Before the break, I had a plan. I was going to practice English for 20 minutes. Maybe listen to a podcast. Maybe review some vocabulary. That was the plan. I look at the time. 40 minutes are gone. I put down my phone. I don't feel rested. I don't feel ready to work again either. I just feel a little slow. I open my laptop. My coffee is cold now. I didn't even drink it. Tomorrow, maybe I'll do something different. Maybe.